Hello everyone. This is next in the series of image to diagnosis in general sonography. This is a 15-year-old girl presenting with chronic abdominal pain and vomiting for 2 years. And this is the scan of the epigastrium, sagittal and transverse scans of the epigastrium. So what do you see? I think you are wondering about the quality of image, but these are images taken in November 1986. I started doing ultrasound in 1984, just within 2 years, and almost 40 years back. And why I am showing this case is because I have not seen a similar case later than that till now. This case scenario is shown to highlight the importance of pattern recognition, importance of clinical details, logical analysis, and the role of dynamic sonography, and also follow-up. If you'd like to listen to this case scenario, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.